In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw funds from your pocket option account. Whether you're cashing out your recent gains or simply managing your available balance, I'm here to guide you through the process with ease. Let's start by navigating to your pocket option dashboard. This is your central hub, where you can manage your account details and access all the necessary functions to handle your financial transactions. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll want to locate the photo in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear revealing the option we're looking for, which is the Withdrawal button. Click on Withdrawal to be directed to the next page. This page is essentially your gateway to accessing your funds. It displays important information like your current balance and the minimum withdrawal amount, so you know exactly what you're working with. Now it's time to choose your preferred payment method. Pocket Option offers a variety of methods to cater to different preferences, so select the one that suits you best. Consider factors like processing times and any potential fees associated with each method, as this can vary. For instance, bank transfers might take a bit longer compared to e-wallets, but it often comes down to what works best for you. Next up is entering the withdrawal amount. Reflect on your current balance and the minimum withdrawal requirements as you decide on the amount you'd like to transfer. Once you've settled on an amount, carefully enter your account number tied to the payment method you've chosen. This ensures your funds are directed to the right account. Following that, you'll be asked to provide further confirmation by entering the name as it appears on the cardholder's details. It's essential to double-check this information to avoid any potential discrepancies that might delay the process. Accuracy here ensures your withdrawal request sails through without a hitch. Finally, once everything has been filled out and you're confident that the information is correct, go ahead and press Continue. And just like that, you're all set. You've now completed your withdrawal request. It's that simple. Thanks for joining me in this quick and straightforward guide on withdrawing your funds from Pocket Option. Keep in mind that processing times can vary, and if you encounter any issues, their customer support team is always available to assist you. Ensuring your account information is accurate and updated can also help in smoothing out the process. Good luck, and until next time, happy trading.